If you've seen my channel before, you know I do lots of rough sketches, really rough. Why do I do it? I've set up a screen print art studio to undemonise wildlife. What could be the use of these really rough sketches? Apart from having the freedom and the experience in nature, I can actually use these rough sketches. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this rough sketch of a diamond python. It's this beautiful diamond python here, which I'm trying to get a bit of a sketch. I'm trying to keep a respectful distance, and I think he's going to make a really nice subject for a t-shirt. So you see this rough sketch here, this is all I've got to go by, plus a sketch that I did a few years earlier. Redrawing the rough sketch and adding more details. I basically know how many scales go across the back. I can look at other reference to get that. And I'm using the brick technique just to put in those details. If you want to see the brick technique, just check out one of my older videos. Link in the description. In my journal I have a lot of other rough sketches of carpet snakes. I can kind of use those because the diamond python is actually a type of carpet snake. I like to hand do the lettering. The least amount of computer, the better. And with a lot of my snake prints, I like to use Old English because it kind of looks a little bit heavy metal. I'm going to do a test print on some black cardboard. Interesting. So now I can use a photograph as a reference for a pattern. So notice I'm not actually copying the photo, I'm copying the pattern and superimposing it upon my artwork. So now it's time to get into the printing of this and see if it worked. If this doesn't work, I'm going to look pretty silly. So first I print this khaki kind of colour, and then put that under the dryer to dry. It takes about 30 seconds under this dryer here to dry this ink, and so I can print the next lot on while this ink is dry. Next I print this yellow colour, which is really those beautiful patterns on the diamond python. Then the final colour is the white. It gives it the highlights and gives it that nice word diamond. So here is the final result, and I'm quite happy with it. This sort of dark grey olive colour is really pushed back. The yellow looks great just because that's the beautiful pattern of this beautiful animal, and I think the white highlights worked really well. And of course the font there looks very metal.